Hey friends, this is Bridgit Danner with Hormone Detox Shop, and I'm in my kitchen today where the magic happens, the cooking magic that is. And I just have an easy recipe for you using our greens powder. If you've got another greens powder at home, you can use that, but I'd love for you to try ours. It's organic and just a little bit sweetened, and most of us really aren't getting the 8 servings of vegetables a day that we're supposed to get. You know, even if you're eating pretty healthy, sometimes you're only getting 3 or 4 in a day. So greens are a great way to just increase that nutrition, that kind of nutrition that the body recognizes, and you get some fiber in there, and it helps control blood sugar, feed your microbiome. So some good stuff. You can definitely have it just straight in water, but Margot on our team has made a few recipes for us, so I want to try out the first one with you today. I just printed it off our blog. It just kind of makes it easier. So this is called Sparkling Pineapple Sip, and you take a ½ cup frozen pineapple. You can see I'm not a person who measures anything. 2 tablespoons fresh lime juice, which seems like a lot, Margot, so let's see how this goes. So I'm just going to do a whole lime because I think that'll be about 2 tablespoons. And I'm a big citrus and water person, so I'm saying this is a lot, but actually it's pretty common for me to put a whole lemon in water and make different drinks with it. Okay, so we've got a ½ cup frozen pineapple, 2 tablespoons fresh lime juice, stevia to taste. Let me see where our scooper is. A tablespoon of this greens powder. So we call it Detox Greens because getting your daily greens is detoxifying. I'm supposed to be muddling this pineapple, but I don't have a muddling tool, so I'm just going to stab it a bit, and probably as it melts a bit, I'll go back and stab it some more. A whole can of, she suggested, pineapple or lime sparkling water, but I think if you just have regular sparkling water, it's fine too. And then she said stevia to taste, so let's, once we get the sparkling water in here, we can see if we want any stevia. This might be a sec. So I'll taste it now just to save us a little time. But you can see it's super simple, you know, and you're getting some extra citrus, which is great for COVID season. It's great for your adrenal glands to get that extra vitamin C. It's alkalizing, and most of us need more alkalinity. I think it's pretty nice how it is. I don't know if I need any extra stevia. I think it's really lovely. So that's the sparkling pineapple slip, and I've got 2 more recipes coming in this little family with the Detox Greens. So just go on and watch the next one. Next I'm going to do strawberry basil lemonade.